Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have the M Sport Plus package. We have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills. We have the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. We also have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler lip just there on the tailgate. Here's a look at another alloy wheel, as you can see again unmarked. And we do have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the rear diffuser at the back along with the dual legs exhaust just down there. We have a button on the remote. If we press the button then the boot should pop open just like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space. It does go quite far back. Storage net on the left hand side along with the charger. If you pull the boot back closed and then walk back round to the driver's side now, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior. Taking a look at the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrest and the fixed ISO points back here. We also have the M Sport style seatbelt, ambient lighting on the doors you may have noticed. We also have the climate control as well for the rear passengers. We have the electric windows on the doors. Again at the front we have the same full leather interior and both the front seats are heated and there's a look at them. Again we have the same electric windows, tri-lock for the rear and electric mirrors just there. We have the automatic lights, again with the ambient lighting, we have the automatic wipers and multifunctional steering wheel. Now if we take a seat inside, then you'll find we have the digital dashboard here in front of us. We also have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. We do have the speed limiter and the cruise control just here. As you can see on the dashboard we are free from any warning lights other than warning us about the low fuel. We have the main screen here in the centre currently showing the sat nav. If any of the lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We have the shortcuts down here, so if we click onto the media, you find we have the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio just there. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have some apps which are currently installed just here. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If we go to the main menu, go onto the car, this is where you find we have the settings just here for the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours which we can choose from just here. We have the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Along with the reversing camera, if you put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera just there. If you put it back into park, we have the different drive modes. So we have the sport drive mode, we have the hybrid, electric and also the adaptive drive mode just there. Further down we've got the 3-zone climate control, it's called air conditioning, heated seats as well on each side, working as they should do. We also have some storage space inside of here with the cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port just there as well. We have the drive mode buttons, the electric handbrake, nice leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 2019 BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. And as you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We do have the multifunction steering wheel which has the cruise control and the volume buttons on either side. We have the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and the car will change gear. We also have the digital dashboard here in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. And if you do listen carefully now throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we're free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the ambient lighting as well throughout this vehicle, which really does come to life, especially at night time, with plenty of colours to choose from. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which is touchscreen and also has plenty of features on there, again that you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Below there we have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes as well. And here at Our Car Sales, we do pride ourselves on being an award-winning dealership with over 500 5-star reviews across Google and Autotrader. We do also offer free nationwide next day delivery, so if you want local to us, then we do offer that, where we can deliver the car to your house or to your place of work. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put the right indicator on, and slow down and make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So I'll be forming an emergency stop now in 3, 2, 1. Hold on to the brakes, and when I put the car into reverse, we have the reversing camera just there. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. But that's all from me today. Cheers.